Welcome back to Living with Flair. Today we're heading to Rainbow Beach, somewhere very exciting. Can't wait to go and explore and take you along with us. Just show you in the back here, we've got 2 sleeping children. Silence. Not for that long, but we'll take it. So we're almost there and we're checking. Oh, see, as I just said. Not for too long. One child just started crying. Okay, so it's pretty windy down here, so sorry if the audio's terrible, but we checked in at the Big 4 Breeze Holiday Park yesterday afternoon. Just sort of settled in, watched the sunset, and yeah, didn't get up to too much, just kind of set up camp. And then this morning we've just come down to Rainbow Beach. It's a little bit windy, but it's really nice. And there's actually no one else here. So yeah, we're just gonna spend the morning here and then, what do you reckon? Go have some lunch after? Yeah? Yeah? What are we gonna do? Build some sandcastles? Yeah. Are you gonna go for a swim in the ocean? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, cool. And this little munchkin is just chilling. Yeah? Hi, Yoshi. And Josh just gone, we've just set up camp and Josh has gone to get the dogs out of the truck. Set up camp, we've set up our day station at the beach. He's gone to get the dogs.
That's a cool little quiet spot. We literally got this little part of beach to ourselves, no one as far as we can see, so yeah, it's pretty nice. We actually been to this exact same spot before. It was one of our first stops on our first lap around Australia. So it's a cool little full circle moment here to come back and enjoy it and share it with the two little ones this time. Yeah, I think it would have been 3.5, maybe 4 years ago we were here. So pretty crazy how quick life moves on, but super cool that we're back here doing it again this time around with 2 little ones. Yeah, you like it at the beach?
Cheese! Still getting used to that big bird on the roof. Anyways, this is where we are. Yeah, the Breeze Holiday Park in Rainbow Beach. It's actually kind of quiet now. So we had a lovely day at the beach and we've just come back, let the kids have a little nap, and just come down the front here by the water. It's very low tide, so we're just having a walk out here, look for crabs, just give the dogs a bit of a run around and yeah, explore. But there's a bit of smoke out from fire. So look how epic that looks already, and it's just going to get better and better. The sun looks so cool. It's going to be a very, very nice sunset. And it's going to be a very, very slow walk. But that's the whole point.
Found a crab. Just shut off from the others for 2 seconds to have a better look. Looks okay, probably not quite legal, but we'll see if we can get him out. He's just hiding up in under the tree. Might even be a Jenny, to be honest. Well, she's a Jenny and she's really unhealthy. A few holes, a few bust ups. So I think we'll just leave her be, but if something's busting her up, better have a bit of a look around. That's pretty cool. Never seen one of them before. Apparently they're pretty tasty. I don't actually know if you can take them here, so yeah, we better have a bit of a look first if we do want to try one, but that's pretty cool, something new. I just saw a few empty ones hanging around, so I thought I'd better look for one just in case. Yeah, something different.
Alright, I got one of these. There we go, I got one of these. We got one of these go-kart things, and Zali doesn't even love it. She went on it for a bit, and then she's like trying to get off it whilst we're on it. So anyways, that's okay. She might be a bit too young to fully appreciate the excitement of it. Or she's a girl, I don't know. But I'll tell you what she does love. This jumping thing. Let's do this. Oh, stop, Josh! She loves it, buddy. She's going downhill. This place is pretty cool. It's actually pretty quiet at the moment, to be honest. There's literally no one else here right now. Hello. That's it. Cheese. Good work, darling. Oh. Here we go. Vroom, vroom. Go, Aishi. Look at us go, Sally. Vroom, 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 vroom. Goodness. Oh my goodness. That weighs a lot.
That's my workout for the day. Well, girls are down for their midday nap, and I snuck out in the mangroves just for a bit of a look around. Yeah, best time to go fishing is whenever you can, especially when you got 2 under 2. So yeah, I just caught a nice little bream on top water, just having a flick with some light gear, having a bit of fun. Yeah, it's good. Might even get a bonus of a crab or something cruising around, but it's pretty nice exploring here. Just got to keep an eye out for that inskip point croc that's been getting around. Check this guy out. There we go. Not a bad little bream. He's legal, but we'll get him straight back. Good bit of fun. Oh, I'm buggered. It's a bit hot out here. I was just making my way back through the mangroves, and look what I stumbled across. He's a nice crab. I'll just grab him and check he's full. He's definitely legal. Steve would be stoked if he's full and we get to keep him. Cook him up for dinner tonight or tomorrow. How good. We snuck out for another little flick again during the lunch break, and cutting through the mangroves. Found one nice mud crab just sitting out in the open. Grabbed him, and yeah, just walking to the next zone and see if you guys can spot him. Yeah, it's a big crab, but you can tell by the little claws that he's a Jenny. She's a Jenny, I should say. Still pretty cool, good signs. It's a big girl. That was a fun couple of little sessions. I basically just had a look on Google Maps for places to fish within walking distance. Been a bit too windy to get the boat out. We're not really staying here long enough to warrant kind of getting it off the roof, but yeah. Went for a walk, found this creek on Google Maps, had to go through some mangroves to get there, so obviously I'm going to look out for mud crabs. It's kind of really not even in season for them. It's just going out of season, I think. So yeah, you've got to be in it to win it though. So we're just looking around and yeah, managed to find 3 nice crabs just sitting out. By the way, that last one that I filmed, so just after I stopped filming, Stevie and Zali FaceTimed me, and I was showing Zali, flipped it over, and it was actually a male, so it just had really small claws. It wasn't a Jenny, so kept that one so we had a nice feed, and I've got them on ice now, just putting them to sleep. And we decided we're going to do like a bit of a sweet chili mud crab with basically whatever we could find in the caravan. So just prepping that. Once the crabs are asleep, I'll go clean them, and yeah, show you guys how they turn out. Should be pretty tasty, hopefully. Just gonna give these crabs a quick tidy up, and then we'll take them back and get them on the cooker. As you can probably imagine, we're cooking this one outside. Keep the smell out of the van, obviously. Yeah, I'm not sure how much of this I'll film because I'm kind of racing to get it done so I can get the girls off the bed in time. All right, let's take a look at the finished product. We're gonna pop inside and eat that because mozzies and midgies are quite bad, so yeah, keen to tuck in. Just quickly before we do go inside and eat, these pots and pans from Outback Equipment. The brand is Outback Explorer, but they're bloody unreal. They got this lock on and off handle, come in a set. They all fit inside each other, and yeah, super durable and non-stick. So get over Outback Equipment, check them out. We've got a discount code too, 11.5. You'll get 5% off site wide. Their range is amazing, so jump over, check that out. Time to go get stuck in. Look at that. Is it good? Yeah. Yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna get stuck in, aren't we?
It's pretty good.
And then we're out of here tomorrow. Still haven't decided where we're going yet, but
No idea.
we'll figure something out.
Ocean. Boo. Okay, so we've left Rainbow Beach and we've travelled to, where are we? What's it called?
Bby Creek. It's the creek.
And we found a really cool spot, so can't wait to show you. Might get the drone up here, eh?
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool. And kind of in between we can go exploring around Hervey Bay and Burrum. So yeah, we'll show you around. Hi! We've got a nice little hip camp here, and there's no one else here at the moment, which is really cool because it's a really massive property and we can let our dogs off, have a little run around while no one else is here. And yeah, I think we're going to have a fabulous time here. And I think we're going to stay here for a little while, make it our home base. And so yeah, we've just got the boat off the roof and the truck's feeling a lot lighter and better. And we're just heading into town. It's kind of in between sort of, I don't know if I said this before, but in between Hervey Bay and Burrum. So yeah, it's going to be a good little spot. The last park we were at in Rainbow Beach was a great park. The only downfall is the midgies. We all got absolutely hammered, but Zali has, you know, as being a toddler, scratching them, so many bites on her, all over her body, but she scratches them and then they turn into scabs, and then she picks them and then they bleed, they all just get infected, and it's just like a recurring cycle. So we're heading in now to the chemist. We're gonna go get some stuff for her, but if anyone has any tips, please drop them in the comments, because obviously we're traveling Australia and this is gonna happen a lot, and we'd rather it not, because yeah, it's not ideal. So yeah, anyways, let's go check out town. So don't mind my voice, I'm a bit sick, and the last few days it's been quite rainy. Hasn't really stopped raining, which is really frustrating when you're trying to do washing and all that. But anyways, like I said, we are camping at this spot where we can go explore. It's our little base.
but because the weather hasn't been that good, we haven't really been doing too much. We went into town yesterday, did a little click and collect. What's wrong? We did a little click and collect grocery order, and then yeah, we've just been sort of hanging out, getting some work done, just hanging out at the caravan. But today, have a look at this. The sun is out, the sun is shining, and we are heading out to explore. So we're gonna go into Barham Heads and check that out. We've got our swimmers on and we're gonna head to the beach, and yeah, we're just gonna take you along with us. So we've come down to Tugum beach at Tugum here. It's dog friendly, sun's out, and we're just enjoying it. Sally's off exploring. You can see her all the way up there. So we're gonna go see what she's up to and give her her hat.
Up at our next destination. It's a little, what is it, a horse stud?
Yeah.
Just near Cooldarwin. Pretty cool actually. Yeah, got horses and cows and stuff here. We thought it'd be pretty cool. Are you picking your nose?
Yeah, there's
I love it.
It's pretty cheap too. It's $35 a night or $30 for 2 nights and each. And yeah, it's got power and water and what you doing? Let's go. And we're gonna go check out, they got foals here and horses and cows, and yeah, it's all happening. So anyways, let's go check it out.
How many?
Where's the horses? Right there. Hi, horses.
Go down here to the... That means you need a pack. For the first probably 6 months, ever from the header. Ooh, that's wet.
So I think we're going to spend a little bit of time here. We're all really loving it, especially Zali. She loves the animals, and we have a little bit of time to kill as well before we're meeting up with Josh's mum this weekend in Bundaberg, who's coming up from Brisbane. So that'll be good. Plus it's mine and Zali's birthday this week as well, which is obviously very exciting. But we're going to wrap that up there. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.